Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, how to train your brain like a genius and unlock your creativity. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to come up with brilliant ideas effortlessly? Well, it's not magic, it's brain training. And today, I'll show you how to do it. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a fun challenge that will instantly boost your creativity. What is creativity? First, let's talk about creativity. Many people think creativity is just about painting or writing stories, but it's so much more than that. Creativity is the ability to connect ideas in new ways, solve problems, and think outside the box. Scientists say creativity isn't something you're just born with. It's a skill you can develop, just like a muscle. Step 1. Feed your brain. The first step to unlocking your creative genius is feeding your brain with diverse ideas. Read books on different topics, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. Expose yourself to as many new ideas as possible. The more information you absorb, the more connections your brain can make, and creativity is all about making unexpected connections. Step 2. Break your routine. Have you ever noticed that you get your best ideas when you're doing something new? That's because our brains love novelty. Try switching up your routine. Take a different route to work, try a new hobby, or even brush your teeth with the opposite hand. These little changes push your brain to think in new ways. Step 3. Play the what-if game. This one is fun. Ask yourself crazy what-if questions. What if animals could talk? What if gravity stopped for 10 seconds? What if humans had 3 arms? These questions force your brain to explore new possibilities and strengthen your imagination. Step 4. Mind map your ideas. When brainstorming, don't just write lists, use a mind map. Start with one idea in the center and let your thoughts branch out in different directions. This helps your brain visualize connections and come up with unique solutions. Step 5. Take breaks and play. Believe it or not, taking breaks is actually great for creativity. Some of the best ideas come when you're relaxed, like in the shower. Let your mind wander, doodle, play with toys. Playfulness helps unlock your most creative ideas. Step 6. Challenge assumptions. Want to think like a genius? Start questioning everything. Challenge common beliefs and ask, is this really true? Many breakthroughs in science and art happened because someone dared to question the norm. Step 7. Surround yourself with creativity. If you want to be creative, surround yourself with creative people and environments. Visit museums, listen to inspiring music, watch thought-provoking films, and have deep conversations. Inspiration is contagious. Your creativity challenge. All right, here's a fun challenge for you. Grab a piece of paper and draw 30 circles. Now, turn each one into a different object, like a clock, a face, or a planet, as quickly as possible. This forces your brain to think fast and creatively. Try it, and let me know how many ideas you came up with in the comments. So there you have it, 7 powerful ways to train your brain like a genius and boost your creativity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and share this with a friend who needs some creative inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.